The strength of our spiritual foundation is ultimately revealed by how we live our lives, especially in terms of disappointment and challenge. We so often forget that we are living so close to the earth and that it is alive. This vast earth carried us our whole life, and yet we often are not paying attention to the thousands of ways it speaks to us, all without words. Yet, our need to build a relationship with what holds us up is essential. If you have a heart that is filled with hurt, or a mind that is fogged over with despair, just as the seed buried in the earth cannot imagine itself as a flower, the mind and heart cannot imagine itself loved or at peace. The courage of the seed is to crack wide open and move from the dark into a blossom, and this is also the work of our soul. We cannot escape the world. However, we must understand our part in it and move through it. We cannot avoid the tangle of living our lives as the world keeps interchanging us with the chaos of experience as it has its way with us. As much as our mind feels compelled to sort out all of our experiences and separate life with our preconceptions and preferences, there is nothing that will stand in the way of our direct experience with life. The simple and profound things that matter in life are repeatedly shown to us in our experiences as a way to bring our full attention to them. And it is best to lean into them, meeting them while standing upright in full awareness. The bliss and wonder are waiting for us. But we must accept the gift. The things that matter repeat themselves through our loving hearts, whereby the pain and fear of the experience fades and moves us into a wholeness once again. Once we have anchored in a strong foundation for our lives based on our values and virtues, we are able to interface with the world from a place of empowerment and compassion. We must express the choices that define and honor us. What we like, desire, and choose are reflections of our individual choices that help carry us through the emotional and spiritual initiations that make us strong, resilient, and more conscious individuals, teaching us who we are at a foundational level. No one can diminish the foundation because it is the rock of self that illuminates our world.